This Chevrolet Cruze boasts a turbocharged gas I4 1.4-liter/engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, cruise control, transmission, 6-speed automatic, STD. This Chevrolet Cruze comes equipped with these options. RS package includes T43, rear spoiler, TEU, front fog lamps, BVG, sport body kit, E38, RS lettering ornamentation and MDB, black belt line moldings. Also includes RQJ, 18 aluminum wheels and REW, P225/40 R18 all season, black wall tires, silver ice metallic. Premier preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, jet black, leatherette seat trim, engine, 1.4 liters turbo HC 4-cylinder DI with continuous variable valve timing, CVVT 153 horsepower, 114.08 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 177 pounds-to-foot of torque, 239 Nm, at 2,000 to 4,000 revolutions per minute. STD, engine block heater, wipers, front intermittent, variable, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, solar absorbing, windows, power with express down. Stop by today. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 for a quick visit at a great vehicle.